boys and girls, I wanted a burger so bad, and I almost drove it to McDonald's. I said, I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up this for $1.50. Hey, man. I didn't want to use this cheese, but I have no choice. No choice. Absolutely no, I'm not using that bread. I have a little bit of Lipton onion soup mix. Nice already. Ooh, I've been wanting some of these pinto beans. Yes, boys and girls. Ooh, yes, indeed. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because I don't want all of the liquid from my beans to throw out, but I want the cheese to melt down. I need to throw a little bit of love on top of the burger. That's onion powder. Is there anything? Okay, yeah. A little bit of onion powder. So that's my rice, my beans, and my 2 cheeseburgers. Just in case you didn't see, it's fast bites or something like that. Yeah, it's fast bites. 15 grams of protein, 410 calories, 3 grams of fiber, 7 grams of sugar. Yep. Now I don't know how much sugar is not in it because I threw away the bread. It is after 11, maybe 12, and I ate a slice of pizza for breakfast this morning, and I haven't eaten anything other than a little chicken wing. Little chicken wing all day. So I said it is time to have a meal, boys and girls. A meal. Uh, I am so absolutely happy. Guess why? Dollar Tree! Ah! I got me a snack today! I said to myself, no. I was coming home, I was dropping my friend off. I said, I have to do this. So I really wanted to go to McDonald's, but I said, I can't do that because I always get sick when I eat McDonald's. So I don't go there. But I said, I deserve a snack. But I went into the Dollar Tree. Have y'all seen those beautiful dishes? Oh my goodness. And now I'm sitting here like, ooh, I think I want to put together a table set and stuff like that. Those dishes are beautiful. They got butterflies all over them, boys and girls. You know your girl is a grinder. Really love the butterflies. But I bought me a cute little a notebook. A cute little notebook. Because my little book is like this, and I'd be writing to God in the morning. I'd be like, God, I need you to please, So I said, I'm going to give me a little book. So I went in there, but the Dollar Tree is beautiful, boys and girls. It really looks nice, especially the sections that's not 99 cents. Well, is there anything 99 cents? Well, people are getting a lot of pennies deals out, but it's all junk. I'm not saying it to be mean, but how do you do this? This thing here. How do you do it? Oh, like that. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Anyway, I gotta sit down for 5 minutes. There's nothing in the world greater than a meal being ready when you're ready to eat. Boys and girls, I have to fork. Now there's a shame and disgrace going on in this house when I feel like I need hot sauce on everything. Shouldn't have to eat like that. Shouldn't eat like that. That cheese is real cheese because it's melted. Oh. That's a nice burger. Oh, I think I have to fill up on some of this burger. This cheese is nice. Look at that cheese. That's cheese, boys and girls. Oh. Ooh, that's nice. eating when I have to eat. It's a difference. It isn't, feels like I'm forcing myself to eat because my stomach doesn't growl, but I need to eat. Mm. 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 And I basically prepared myself a meal. Now that I'm eating this, I have a feeling for something. When I said hot sauce, I have a feeling to take some sardines out, put some hot sauce in it, and eat it with some crackers. So when I do get my nibble later on, I'm going to open up a can of crackers. I mean, a bag of crackers, a can of sardines, put some hot sauce in it, and have me that. But I really wanted this cheeseburger. Absolutely. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, this cheeseburger tastes delicious, boys and girls. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh. Mm. There's a whole lot of cheese right there. All that rice. Mm. Ooh. Mm. 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 I'm about to have a whole bag. This is good, boys and girls. I love snacks. Mm. I can eat snacks all day before I can eat a meal. Mm. 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 These are good. And I just swept the floor. Ah, I hate myself sometimes. Mm. Good Lord. I just, oh my goodness. Mm. I sent a bracelet to someone, and she messaged me today, and she said, I received your envelope with a sticker in it. She said, I have a feeling you put something else in the envelope. I said, she said, but the envelope was bust open, and so I said, yeah, I put something else in the envelope, but I put more than just a bracelet in her envelope. So it is what it is. So you can't do nothing about that. It is what it is. There's one more bracelet. I haven't heard if it arrived to its destination. Hopefully, it did. I don't know. I have some really cute bags that got little hearts on it. But I'm going to say goodnight. And thank you so much. But this girl has to sit down. I'm tired.